Hello everyone. The title of our project is Fabrication of Low Cost Air Purifier. And, let me introduce our team. This is Manoj, this is Srinivas, and myself Pawan, and this is Sachin. So the project title is Fabrication of Low Cost Air Purifier. As the title suggests, we are aiming for the low cost air purifier, which is a burning problem nowadays. As we all know, air pollution is rapidly growing, but there is no such an air purifier which is very low cost. As we the lowest price we can be seen in the online is MI air purifier, which costs around 10,000 rupees. But what about the middle class people? So we aim for making an fabrication of low cost air purifier with the approx cost of 4,000. So coming to the design, so as you can see, it is a simple design and it is a very lightweight. It can be transported from one room to another room. And coming to the design and working of this, so let me on and show you. So when the switch is on, as you can see, the fins are automatically raising up, and the purification is done in three stages. So the first layer is, so let me open this. So as you can see, there are two cloths here. So the first one is a normal cotton cloth, which eliminates the hair or any dust particles or any pollen grains, and another one is activated charcoal filter, so it purifies the smell of air. And the third stage is UVC light. So as you can see, any kind of microorganisms can be disinfected by them, and the air will be further exhausted out by the exhaust fan. So we have used a BLDC motor exhaust fan, which costs around 1500 rupees. This is from Atomberg, which makes us a noiseless operation. And the cadre of this air purifier is approximately estimated as 177.3 meter cube per hour. And so yeah, this is our air purifier, and we aiming to make the fabrication of low cost air purifier. So we want to make it as affordable as possible, and yeah.
We conclude that it is more efficient. It can give the accurate result of PM1 as it is a particular molecule which is a air purifiers. It is about the PM1. The main motto of our project is to by the all the middle class people and the poor people. Thank you. One.